Erin here. I'm excited to announce to you one of our new patterns, the Giselle dress. I'm often asked what my favorite pattern is out of the collection, and I usually say that it's the Erin dress, but Giselle is hands down my new favorite. Now this pattern is available in extra small to 3X, and our sizes run approximately in line with the US 0 to a US 26. But of course, we always recommend that you look at our size chart, which is available on the website. We also have her fabric yardage chart on the page as well. And the Giselle pattern is available in print and PDF, printing while supplies last. So you want to make sure to grab that pattern. So let's talk about the design. So she is a knee-length dress that really gives me this flirty, feminine, romantic vibe with a touch of throwback. Like she's given us a little bit of Brady Bunch too. And I love it because it's modest, you're covered, it's flirty, it's feminine, and it is very easy to sew. Now, I don't want you to get intimidated when you see all of these seam lines, because the benefit of having seam lines is that your fitting is a whole lot easier. So first, we've got this collar here with this long bow that you can tie however you like. I kind of got mine in a loose bow, but as we were testing this one, the first draft as we were testing had a shorter tie, and we kind of tied it like this. But as we were testing it, we decided to give you an extra longer tail because you can add a bow. And we thought that that would look so much more lovely on your neckline. Then again, you've got the princess seams here. You've got a partially gathered sleeve at the sleeve cap, and you've got some gathering around the base of the sleeve. Now this is easy gathering because this is an elastic casing. So super easy. And this is only a little bit of gathering across the sleeve cap. Then we've got a high waist that's connecting the bottoms to the skirt. Then we've got a bottom skirt here that we've got gathered down here. And the closure in the back is an invisible zipper. When we put the difficulty level on the website, instead of saying beginner, intermediate, and advanced, we shared with you what skills you will actually need to complete this project, because skill level is subjective. We wanted you to know when you're walking into this project what you're looking at, and it's simply gathering, elastic, and a zipper. So if a zipper is freaking you out right now, not to worry, we have got an invisible zipper tutorial on the channel. So not only do we have the instructions, the illustrations, we've also got a tutorial to walk you through how to sew in an invisible zipper in great detail. So don't you worry. We got you when it comes to this tutorial. So let's talk fabric options. I made this in a crepe that I got from Joann's, and don't tell nobody, but it was on sale for about $4 a yard. Yep, this was some good fabric, and it is perfect for this dress. So this dress is designed for wovens or stretch wovens. We recommend that you stick with the recommended fabrics because it will give you the best result to the intended design. Rayons, crepes, poly blends, linens, or even drapier fabrics would really be lovely on this because you've got this hang here. If you do decide to go outside of light to mid-weight wovens or stretch wovens, I would really recommend that you sew a test garment to make sure that you don't need to make any additional fitting adjustments. So I hope that you love Giselle just as much as I do. She is definitely my new fave, and I invite you to read more about her on our website, and I'll make sure to link to her below this video.